couple of points which I wanted to share with you. Like when you talk about the entire agile transformations, it basically takes a lot of things. So basically we talk about the portfolio level, you talk about the program management layer, you talk about the enterprise level, and also you talk about the portfolio and the strategy. So during scaled agile platform, we use the lean portfolio management, we use the LPM. So today if you want to learn about lean portfolio management, you can always learn that. All right, so stay learn and be safe and stay safe. Thank you.